Okay, we're out with John and his F-16, his Freewing 70mm. Got the Raptor and the Viper. Okay, ready? Going. Gears are up. Oh, there goes the F-16. Let's go to middle rates. Let's catch up. Turning in. Right over top. Whoops. Go back to middle. Okay, make this turn. Okay. Very nice. Turn in. Coming in low. Oh. Let's go for a loop. Loop. There you go. Viper's about to be on my 6. It's catching up. Turning in. Okay. Let's meet up. Ooh, oh! Oh, no way! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! That was in midair. Whoa! Wow! Okay, let's go retrieve.